Okay, now I've sewed my two pockets together, and I've cut out two pieces of lining material the same size as my pockets. And first I want to trim off some of this excess fabric. You can trim it down to about 1/4 inch if you like. And if you have any sharp corners, you can trim them a little close. These are pretty soft corners, so we don't have to worry about it so much. You trim off that excess fabric and then turn the pockets right side out. You just kind of push your fingers into the corners. And there's your pocket. Now to make the lining, you're going to take the two pieces of lining material and sew down the sides only, leaving the bottom open and leaving the top open. So we're only sewing the sides, and you want to do it with the same seam allowance. If you want, you can place the pocket on the side and draw a line so that you know where to sew your lining. Okay, now I've sewn both sides here. Now take your little pocket purse and slip it inside the lining like this and match up the top edges. So you want to match the top edges like that. And if you want, you can pin them in place, and we'll sew along the top edge. Again, you may want to use a zipper foot to get nice and close to the edge of the top of the pocket. I'm going to put my zipper foot in. And then you place the pocket right there on the machine, feeling for the edge, and start back and forth to knot it, and then follow right along the edge of the top of the pocket and just sew in one big circle all the way around. Now I've sewed all the way around the top to sew the lining onto the pocket, and now just pull the pocket out, and there's your lining sewn to the top. And to close the bottom, we're just going to fold it in. Just fold it in about a seam allowance, about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inches. And then we'll just top stitch to close the bottom of the lining. And then you just have to tuck that lining right into the purse, like that.